Here we are back at Midwest Customs, right off of 79th and Prospect. Seems like a pretty ordinary plain shop, but the work they do is phenomenal. Let's run around back and have a look at the Kia. All the prep work's finished, ready to shoot her with paint. Just started resurfacing the headlights. Got the one on top done. Didn't get all the pits and scratches out, but sure as heck got most of it out and looks a lot clearer compared to the one here I have on the bottom. Still has a little bit of fog on it. Need to get to that one here in another couple minutes. A lot of work, but it sure is paying off. I've been grinding away on my baskets. It's taken forever because it sucks. Got one down, one ready to get ground next, and then another one to do. Slow going, but I'm getting it done. I'm not sure what happened to this speaker, but it looks like it got screwed.